Hi guys, check out this voice noise remover app. It works 100% offline and is available for iOS and Android. So let's try this section. Let's hear the original voice and denoised voice.
Hi, how are you doing today? I'm recording this sample in a busy environment, so you'll probably hear different kinds of background noise while I'm speaking. You might notice people talking, traffic passing by, or other everyday sounds around me. Now, try turning the noise removable feature on and off to compare the difference.
So this works pretty fine. Let's test it on the phone. Let me switch to my iPhone. So here is the app. I can record or upload an audio. Let me quickly record an audio.
This is just a test audio and let's see how it works.
And let's try to remove the noise. And start. Here is the original voice.
This is just a test audio and let's see how it works.
And let's hear the denoised audio.
This is just a test audio and let's see how it works.
And this works pretty great. You can save it to files or share it accordingly. Free version allows up to a minute of audio. Thank you very much.